Hey, what's going on YouTube? We back again after a long time. My name is Cozy and we back with a new video tonight. We're gonna be reviewing these OG Web spider shorts. OG Web double layer spider shorts. I ended up buying it about a couple weeks ago. They came out back in July 24th and I just recently received them about a week ago. And yeah, I had to buy these. These were insane. These were like the best colorway that I preferred just cause I really don't have much brown clothes. So I was like, let me just get some brown shorts. Now, before we get to this review, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss any new drops. Tonight, we're gonna review these OG Web double layer shorts. These are super gas, like super, like I don't got no shorts like these. I want more of these. These are like too fire. Like I love these. They're definitely double layers, which I will show when I do the review. In the description it says 40-ounce water repellent nylon, high-low double layer design, OG spider text and star print, and you have the patch in the back pocket. I like these brown ones. They have a lot more other colors. You got the front with the spider, you got the web right below the layer, and then you have the stars going around the spider logo. There's the back, you got the back pocket. Type expensive. These are the finished products. You got this, the shorts, great nylon. It just feels amazing. You got the spider worldwide tag right in the inside, size medium. You also got the back pocket, kind of tiny, could have been maybe a little bit bigger, but these are shorts, so you don't want to take too much space. But I wouldn't probably put, because it looks like it's about to like, it'll fall off. So definitely keep an eye on that. You got the double layered shorts, just how they say. You got a pocket on each side, decent pockets. Are you a fan of these spider shorts? Is this something you would buy? But I like them and I want more. You can also see that underneath the double layer, you have the web. You have the whole web right underneath the first layer of the shorts. So this is the second layer, first layer, spider. This was amazing. Whoever thought of this deserves a raise, because this is probably one of the best shorts I have. I love Eric Emanuel. I love Spider. So far I got essentials as well. But these are heavy hitters. Let me know in the comments below. Are you a fan? You got the 5. Got a 5 right here on one side and another 5 on the other. Let me know in the comments below. Like I said, are you a fan? So the recent ones that came out with this drop was the blue. It was the OG Web double layer shorts in light blue, which these are gas as well. Never seen anything like this, double layered shorts, like how Spider has done it. Definitely very unique. They also had the red ones. For me, it was between the red one or the brown ones, but like I said, I like the brown ones. I like the browns, and I don't have enough brown in my closet, but I'm like 5'9", 170 pounds, and these are a medium, so these most likely would fit perfectly. So let me know in the comments below if you're a big fan. In the male model, it shows that he's 5'11" and he's wearing a size medium. So I think if you're between like maybe 5'7" to 5'11" or 5'6" to 5'11", you could wear these. They also came out with the t-shirts, Focus logo t-shirts. Everything sold out from last drop. Now we in StockX right now. StockX have the Spider Web double layer shorts in brown for buy it now. Extra small 350, US 190, medium 224, large 192, 350 XL and 350 double XL. But you can always try placing a bid. So last sale, it shows from the app here on August 8th, which is today at 9:18 a.m. a medium was sold for 190. A lot of bids and a lot of acts, which ranges between 190 to $230. So keep that in mind when it comes to buying the Spider shorts. Like I said, they retailed for $150 plus tax and shipping. I think with total it came up to like 180. You can buy them right now in StockX. Let me know if you have any other shorts in the comments below. Do you have a favorite colorway for the Spider OG Web double layer short? They did come in other colors, as you see in the bottom, in yellow. We got this one in orange. green, we got blue, light blue, and red. These are the ones that are available as of today, and please let me know what other types of colorway do you like. Did you have a favorite one? Do you like all of them? Let me know in the comments below. But enough talking, let's try these on. It also came with temporary tattoos. So you got the temporary tattoos and the shorts. You can get tatted if you like. You got the web up there. I love Sp5der. 5 again. Sp5der logo again. Sp5der with the words. And you can just get tatted up. And these are all it. That wraps it up for our Sp5der OG web double layer shorts in brown. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe for more reviews, more travel vlogs, more gaming, and catch you in the next video. We out.